Here it is, the original Oculus Quest 2 carrying case. It is a hard capsule intended to hold the Oculus 2 unit with Elite strap, the controllers, USB cable, and a power adapter. The case has a nice fabricky feel to it, and it feels pretty sturdy. The zipper is kinda funky, but so far it works well. The nice thing about this case is that it holds everything in place neatly, and it has this premium feel of an original Oculus product. As always with premium products, you would need to pay a premium price, and the cost of this one is $50 US. There are other cases which do the same job for a fraction of the price, but only this one has Oculus logo on it, although it is barely visible. Overall, this capsule works as advertised, and I have no complaints, except the high price, of course.